In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Notion. Whether you're an experienced user or just getting started, following along will help you seamlessly connect these two powerful productivity tools, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to access your Notion documents directly within Monday.com, combining the strengths of both platforms. To begin, direct your attention to the top right corner of your Monday.com interface. Here, you'll notice a small puzzle icon. This icon is your gateway to the Monday.com marketplace, where you can explore a wide range of apps designed to enhance your workspace. Go ahead and click on the puzzle icon to open the marketplace. Once the marketplace is open, look for the search function, typically located at the top or in a prominent spot within the interface. Type in Notion Embed. When the app appears in the search results, you'll see an option to install it. Click Install to start the process. If this is your first time adding the app, you'll be prompted to configure a few settings. Take your time to select the specific workspaces and boards where you want this integration to be active. Choosing the right workspaces ensures that your Notion content is accessible exactly where it will be most useful. After the installation is complete, you'll notice a new Notion Embed view on the board you selected. To start syncing your Notion documents with Monday.com, click the Settings button located at the top right of the new Embed view. This will open a text box labeled for the Notion Embed URL, which is where the integration magic happens. Next, switch over to your Notion account and select the specific document you want to embed in Monday.com. Make sure this document is published so you can obtain a shareable link. Once the document is published, copy the link provided by Notion. Return to your Monday.com board and paste the link into the Embed URL text box you opened earlier. Once the link is added, the Notion document will load directly within your Monday.com board. This allows you to view and interact with Notion content without ever leaving Monday.com, combining task management and content organization in a single workspace. And there you have it, a clear and straightforward way to integrate Notion with Monday.com, improving both productivity and convenience. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need to connect new documents and enjoy exploring the possibilities this integration brings to your workflow. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.